Good morning.
How you doing, mate?
I'm very well, thanks, mate. Had a couple of drinks with Loza last night. You were asleep.
Played some pool.
Shot some pool. And you know what? I actually slept really well last night as well. Like the jet lag thing has kind of worn off a little bit. So I think we're all feeling a little bit fresher.
What he said.
Yeah. So yeah, it's been good. So we're in Huntington Beach. We are moving hotels, so we're staying in the kind of Los Angeles area, but we're moving to Pasadena, which is north, western LA, because that's really kind of where leg 2 starts. It's 35 miles from where we are now to the new hotel. I'm going to go and do a bike fit, and you guys are going to come with me.
Yeah, so today, only about 50 Ks to do. Nice and easy, spin out the legs, and then tomorrow, the real fun starts.
Don't you waste time looking at your neighbor's plate. Easy does it on the challenge, been sometimes.
So what's the deal here? In-N-Out burger, the veggie burger. It's just an empty bun.
Yeah, you've got an out burger.
Something fell out of it. It's just a salad. You've got proper stuff. This is the burger place that everyone was telling us that we had to try out, so.
I got told off for filming in there.
Did you?
Yeah.
What did they say?
She was like, you're not supposed to. 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
What is really interesting though is that there's loads of people in that kitchen. They're all really, really happy. It's so nice. So you go into a fast food restaurant, not that I frequent fast food restaurants in the UK, and everyone's downtrodden. This is like they're all singing and dancing in the kitchen, aren't they? Yeah.
Right, are we getting out of here? We've got 20 Ks to do, 25 Ks, 30 Ks?
Something like that.
Fifth, something.
Can we just draw attention to how badass the front of Lawrence's bike is?
Badass, dude.
Badass, dude.
What are you laughing at?
What's even funnier is Lawrence's face.
Oh, no. Save him, save him.
It's all in your cassette as well, dude. Makes you want one of those flick kind of shotguns.
And a Harley.
And a Harley. Yeah. What?
Kind of thought this was going to be a hill.
Transpires, it's kind of like a mountain.
Yeah. We've got to go over that tomorrow.
Yeah.
And we can't wait in that way, right, Francis?
I'm actually excited, that's going to be cool.
Can't wait.
Welcome to the Pasadena Hotel, home for the next one night. Looks like they've got chairs in the shape of eggs.
I want to sit in them. Do you want to go sit in them?
Yeah,
now?
let's do it.
Oh, they had these on Big Brother a few years ago, didn't they?
It's a recovery egg. You play conkers.
You're still filming me?
Yeah.
What's up?
Entertain. We're just heading 3 miles down the road to do a bike fit. Well, he's going to do a bike fit.
We're gonna go see Hank.
That's an American name.
Who is a guy who was watching the Bike Fit Tuesdays, had a problem.
Yep.
Fixed his problem because of the videos, and now he's getting a bike fit from you because we're actually here.
Yeah, we're around the corner from him.
That's nuts.
It's cool, though. Really cool.
Guys, this is nice.
Watching the videos because I sit in front of a computer all day and most of the time, and I was having this knee problem.
Right.
And here's James on the video. Just goes, Francis goes, so let's talk about, you know, people come in with a knee problem, and you just sit there and you guys are having a cup of coffee and you go, you know, people say a lot of stuff, but if you got a knee problem and it only occurs when you're riding a bike, it's a bike fit problem.
People, so cycling's often prescribed as kind of rehabilitation for knee issues, so for kind of knee surgery or anything like that. Yet the most common ailment I encounter is patellofemoral pain and knee pain. So I still stand by all of that. I think it's true. I mean, there are quite a lot of different drivers for it.
In a bit. Careful of the bears as well.
Shit.
Right, we've just come to a bike shop, Velo Pasadena, to chop the seat post because we didn't have a proper, what's it called? Cutting guide.
Oh, love surround me, but so lonely as a lake. I'm an Audi in the any world is great. Pick the pedals off the roses, eeny, meeny, miny, Moses, it is obvious.
Yeah, they got
they've got 12-speed groups there, but stuff that's more important. That's way cooler. It's fucking badass, dude.
Nice t-shirt, mate.
Man. Come on, it's Bike for Tuesdays.
Someone was saying they want a Bike Fit Tuesdays t-shirt.
It's gonna be me.
Yeah, it's gonna be. It's gonna be you doing this.
No, that's you after 100 miles.
No, that's you. Or
doing what?
Velo,
C59.
we're buying stuff, and
old man.
I'm at Velo.
Badass, dude.
with
There's a
James
lot
and
of
Francis.
really badass stuff in here. Actually, we've seen all these amazing bikes hanging up.
Never get them down though.
I think that's the plan, though, isn't it? It's all part of the plan.
He's a bike fitter, man. He's not a fake bike fitter.
No, I've just been lying to him.
I'm sure you're a bike fitter. It says it on your name on the internet. I mean, what else could be more definitive than that, man?
Yeah, internet and stuff.
I love it, man.
These guys just decided to ride the coast of California and talk people into buying stuff. That's their scam. That's what I figured out.
Those guys are badass, man. I particularly like when it comes down from the
I was saying that the legs feel a little more balanced. It doesn't feel like there's something off on the right one.
Yeah.
Well, who wrapped your bar tape?
I don't
It's
know.
really bad. Right, boys, what's the plan? Pizza,
Pizza and beer.
Yeah, man.
and then up at 6.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, fine.
We will be carbo loading tonight in room 110.
It's like a weird invitation.
I was about to say, don't tell people where we're staying, but then realise that
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
it's going to be posted tomorrow, isn't it? Yeah, that's me.
How long do you reckon we're going to be on the bike tomorrow?
12 hours. I mean, like, you know, you think that we're going to be stopping, flying the drone, eating food, going, oh wow, look how fucking badass this view is.
Badass.
Then,
I love
yeah,
eating
12
food.
hours, man. So 6 AM start. And
That's still dawn, bro.
That's a great movie, Lawrence.
There's a dog hanging out of that car. Look.
that's fucking badass, dude.
Beer?
Kevin on top?
Please don't film me for this.
Fucking gold.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You see me rolling, dating. It's a it's Chinese rollerblades torture.
Literally someone's old rollerblades turned into a recovery system
It's like,
because someone told you it's gonna make you faster.
Where
or
did you
better.
buy this?
Oh, I didn't buy this.
this is how Americans do rollerblades.
Did you make it?
Hit up the trap lords. Trap the quads.
She's got the hardest foam roller you've ever rolled on in your life. This thing is awful.
But you gotta roll your butt.
No.
What?
Roll your butt. You just gotta watch because you have balls. Yes. Okay. Here now turn so he could see this. Yeah.
Yeah, just so you can see it.
And so you're gonna want to put this pivot point right here on your hip, over your butt.
Yeah, it's good. That's good for the butt, actually.
The night James clipped his nuts on the roller.
Nice.
Yeah.
And be a real Highland Park gangster, like
Highland
Cholo.
Park.
So fashion.
This is Kim's
My jacket.
fashionable jacket.
And then the Cholo dance.
That's it.
You
That's
like
it.
angle your feet, and you're like Cholo.
You're on my porch, but you didn't let me know you were coming. So Francis, if you ever go on another tour, you better call me before fucking take off for the US.
Hey, there's the wrong end. You're right. What are you talking about? We're going right in here. Everyone keeps thinking we're Australian.
I said one more go, and he goes New Zealand. What's the good stuff?
Lawrence, we've so messed up tomorrow.